Hey guys, how you doing? It's Chris from Cheap Tech, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to view your photos and videos using Airplay from your iOS device, so that's your iPhone or iPad, across to an Amazon Firestick. Okay then, so like I said, what we're going to need is your iOS device, your Firestick, and you're going to need a little piece of software that's going to allow you to use the Airplay function. The one I use is called Airplay and UPnP. That's available in the Firestick App Store. There are other ones available. If anybody else is using a different one, please do let me know. Always like to know what else is available, and also if you can think of another way to do this sort of thing, then please do share your experiences below in the comments, as it does help everybody. Obviously you can do this if you've got a TV that's got Airplay enabled. There are some ones about, but obviously if you use a Firestick you can use an older TV, and it gets around it that way. So if we just have a quick look at the Airplay software, let's just move my face off there for a second. So it's an iOS media receiver. Well, this is what turns your Firestick into an iOS media receiver. Airport Express speaker, Google Cast receiver, DLNA media receiver, so that will allow you to use your network attached storage if you've got any videos or photos on there. YouTube streaming, and so on. And I've just changed my device name to Firestick Bed because I've got two Firesticks in the house. So there's one in my lounge and one in my bedroom. So that's pretty self-explanatory. So what you need to do, let's just get me ugly mug back up again. There we go. So if I go into my phone, into photos, so there we go, I'm into my photos. Try and get to see there's my photos. So if I select a photo, and what you need to do at the bottom, there's a little box with the arrow going up. Where are we? If you can see it there. If you click on that, scroll down, and you've got an option for Airplay. Yep, you see that? So if you press that, and then it comes up, Firestick Bed. It shows up as an Apple TV device. If I click that, it's now sent my photo across to the Firestick. So I'm trying to do this one-handed. If I scroll across, okay, I can view my photos. A bit clearer there, yeah. That's pretty cool. If I scroll across again, it'll now play a video, and on my phone it'll say playing using Airplay, playing on your TV using Airplay. So I can put the sound on, I can mute it, I can pause it, I can play it, I can scrub through it. Anything you can do from your phone, it'll show up on the screen. So as you can see, that's pretty cool. Scroll across to my next photo. Can I pinch and zoom? Oh, I can pinch and zoom. Didn't realise you could do that. So there we go. Getting close into that goose there. Lovely. Across to the next photo. So as you can see, you can do that's pretty cool. So if I just come out of that now, stop using Airplay. Okay, so I've gone back to the Firestick home screen. The other thing I can do, if you, from your home screen on your phone, if you get your menu coming down, and there's an option, it's just two squares together. That's for screen mirroring. If you press that, select your Firestick Bed again. As you can see, it's on there now. And then you can use your phone as normal. Just look through your apps. you can then just go back into your photos. There we go, that was a motherboard I was looking at the other day. Right into it, just looking for the connections on my motherboard. That's pretty cool, isn't it? If your eyes have completely gone like mine, that's excellent. So yeah, there you go. Just a simple little video show you how to do that. You can use it for other things. The only thing you can't use it for is to stream copyright protected videos, etc. So you couldn't use it to watch Netflix, or you couldn't use it to watch Amazon Prime or Apple TV. You're gonna have to go through an official app, either through the Firestick or through your TV or whatever, however you do that. So that's the only thing you can't do with it. And then if you want to stop screen mirroring, you just go back and unselect your screen mirroring option. Why can't I say mirroring? Mirroring. Please do leave your comments if there's anybody got any comments, or you might know another way how to do this, or there might be another app that people recommend. Please do drop a like and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.